Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change your keyboard language on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Let's first go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up your keyboard by simply opening up one of the apps. And in here, just bring up the keyboard. To switch to a different keyboard, just simply tap on this globe icon. Now you can see here, as soon as I tap on the globe icon, it will rotate your keyboard to a different language. Now if you touch and hold on the globe, it will also show a pop-up, which I can select a language from the pop-up list. Now if the language that you want to use is not available in the list here, you will need to install it on your device. To do that, first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, tap on Language. Then, go back. So it's not in language, it is in Samsung keyboard settings. So tap on Samsung keyboard settings and then tap on Languages and Types. And in here, tap on Manage Input Languages. Now you can use the search button up here to search for your language. So let's say Polish. So I can tap on Polish and then I can tap on the on button to switch it on. Now I say a maximum number of supported language I can add is 4. So what I need to do is I need to remove one of the language here. I'm going to turn off Korean and then I'm going to go and type in Polish, and now I can switch it on. I can also tap on the update button to update the latest language pack. Alright, so now it is activated. So you can see here I've got English, Vietnamese, Arabic, and Polish. Now you can also go down the list here and select a language. You don't need to use the search button. You can go down the list and browse through the list to see which language is available for you to use. So this is quite a long list, so I'm going to select say Irish. I can tap on the download button to download the Irish language pack, and I'll go back to the top here, and you can see Irish is now turned on and added to my language, to the keyboard language. If I tap on the home button and then open up my Samsung Notes, now I will bring up the keyboard, and by simply tapping on this globe button to rotate to a different language, you can see it will show Irish down here. You can also touch and hold on the globe here to select a different language. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.